So back in 2024, we did a research study where we looked at the fundamental movement skills of the foundation phase learners. And these are skills such as running, jumping, catching, throwing. And we found that the learners' skills were at an elementary level for their age. And these skills are really important because it's skills that we use for our general physical activity in life. So today we're here to upskill the coaches on how to develop engaging and inclusive lessons to teach these fundamental movement skills to the Siyaphakama learners. And these skills are important because the coaches play a key role in the schools and the communities that they work in. We're building the capacity of the coaches in order to improve the confidence and the motivation of the learners so that they can enjoy physical activity and be physically active throughout their life. And this work is supported by the vision of the UNESCO Chair on Physical Activity and Health in Educational Settings, because we're aiming to improve the health and the well-being of our learners through quality physical education.
These workshops for the coaches are actually the best way for them to experience practically what they should be doing in the classroom. For many of them, their understanding and knowledge of what the physical education curriculum is about is quite basic. And now you're asking them to understand a whole range of ideas, activity types, and to put it into practice with large class sizes and no equipment. So by bringing them into these workshops, we're giving them the skills and the knowledge and the understanding of how to actually implement quality physical education lessons. So at the workshops, they're also doing planning themselves. So it's not merely a facilitator speaking to the class. The class is engaged and involved in practical activities themselves. So they're doing development of their own knowledge through their participation. So they're actually learning by doing.
I am sure the coaches know already how to communicate and be in their best behavior in the world of work. The Job Skills Training Program's role is to make sure that we tighten those skills and sharpen them so that they know how to communicate effectively with their manager and colleagues, and also how to show up in the world of work with the right behavior on time and be able to work effectively. The jump from coaching into formal employment is a big one. There's different environment, there's different expectations. And without the right preparation, that transition must be overwhelming. But with the Job Skills Training Program, the coaches are assisted to be confident, to be ready, to be able to answer those interview questions at their best of their ability. And when they go into the job, they don't just walk into the job, they walk in ready.